In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Todoist using Zapier. Whether you're managing personal tasks or coordinating projects, integrating these two tools can streamline your workflow, bringing everything you need into a cohesive and efficient system. Before starting, make sure you've got your Notion account ready, a Todoist account handy, and a Zapier account set up. It's also beneficial to have a Notion database prepared if you're planning on sending tasks to Notion. First things first, begin by signing in to your Zapier account. Open Zapier and log in with your details. Once inside your dashboard, find the Create button and select Zap. This will guide you to the area where you can set up your automated workflow between Notion and Todoist. Next, you need to select a trigger app. Depending on where you want the automation to begin, search for either Notion or Todoist. Let's say you choose Notion. In this case, an example trigger event would be New Database Item. On the other hand, if you choose Todoist, a trigger might be New Task. Select the appropriate trigger that best suits your needs. After choosing your trigger app, it's time to connect your account. Click on Sign In and log in with your Notion or Todoist credentials. You will need to grant Zapier permission to access your selected account, so be sure you are comfortable with these permissions before proceeding. This step is crucial for a seamless connection, ensuring Zapier can communicate effectively with your apps. Now it's time to choose the trigger event. For instance, if you pick Notion as a trigger, you could select between New Database Item or Updated Database Item. For Todoist, options could include New Task, Completed Task, or New Project. Choose the specific workspace, database, or project that you want to use for this automation. Before moving on, it's important to test the trigger. Click on Test Trigger, and Zapier will look for a sample item from your Notion database or Todoist project. This step ensures that everything is set up correctly and you're able to proceed smoothly. Now it's time to add an action. Click on plus Add Action and then select the other app that you didn't choose for the trigger. For example, if your trigger was New Notion Database Item, your action could be Create Task in Todoist, Receipts, or vice versa. Mapping the fields comes next. This involves matching the information between Notion and Todoist. For instance, Notion's task name can map to Todoist's task content, due date to due date, priority, and notes to description. Make sure to map any additional fields you might need. With the fields mapped, test the action. Click on Test Action, and Zapier will create a new Todoist task from a Notion item, or a new Notion database item from a Todoist task. Verify that everything displays correctly. Finally, if all tests pass with flying colors, you're ready to put your automation into action. Click on Publish or Turn on Zap to activate this automated process. And there you have it, a seamless way to connect Notion with Todoist, ensuring all your tasks and projects are perfectly synchronized.